as I said before, you will have access to the sample project. I wanted to share some additional resources that will help you interact or get more permanent access to Generative AI Lab. You can subscribe. The application is available on AWS Marketplace or Azure Marketplace, and you can subscribe to it and deploy the application on your private VPN. Or you can also get in touch with our sales team for an on-premise deployment. We are usually offering training session for on-premise deployments and support for running the actual installation in case that is necessary. If you have any questions or run into issues, you can contact us via Slack. We have a dedicated channel on Slack, and you can also reach out via email at support@johnsonlabs.com. So here you see additional resources, the landing page for Generative AI Lab on johnsonlabs.com website. We have here the documentation web page. We have published a couple of tutorials, step-by-step tutorials for different types of projects. And we also update or publish regularly blog posts covering new features of the Generative AI Lab application, or release notes, or comparison with other tools, or information about new use cases that we have added and that we support. So that brings us to the end. Thank you very much for joining. I hope this session helped you better understand how human-in-the-loop AI can actually accelerate your AI projects while maintaining transparency and compliance and ensuring a high quality level for your annotations and for your data curation projects.